Let's have a look on world famous Pushkar Fair. What is the significance of this fair? Hello and welcome to today's special focus in which we talk about the international world famous Pushkar Fair 2024, known for its richness in culture and traditional festivities. This is a far more adventure-packed fair that features beyond highlights alone in India. Thousands of tourists come to visit from all corners of globe each year. Pushkar Fair grand opening. This year's fair took off in a big way with much pomp and show for the cabinet minister of Rajasthan was present at the program, which only added to the pageantry of this ancient event. The stunts by Nathulal Solanki on his drums set the tone for an electric musical atmosphere. Magnificent parades begin with a showpiece of decorated camels that were arranged to start the festival. The camels were elegantly ornamented with traditional jewelry and colorful embellishments. The intricately carved sand art on a camel presented by sand artist Ajay Rawat also captivated the audience. Decorated camels parade and competitions. The great attention at Pushkar is the procession of bedecked camels. Camels are bedecked with beads, mirrors and pendants, and they look grand. The most prominent feature of the fair is the dancing of camels. Each camel competes with others in an artistic way, moving and dancing to the beats of the drums in a fabulous manner. Their owners neatly prepare and fix on dresses and ornaments for them to look just like new brides. Cultural and tourism value. It is not a local culture fair only because although it is a local, these local and international cultures are so intrigued in it. Many events including football matches between overseas tourists and some local teenagers explain why the fair is crowded with cultural diversity, making it livelier and more interactive. The intermingling of cultures in such a way proves that this fair is unique because it bridges local traditions and global visitors. It is more than just tourism, though it is a culture celebration where Rajasthan's vibrant culture and folk art are placed in the fore. The Pushkar Fair attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors every year and provides them with a once-in-a-lifetime experience filled with music, colors and the essence of Rajasthan. Pushkar Fair is not just an entertainment center but an event which represents the rich culture and heritage of Rajasthan. The fair, its color and rhythm beguile every individual towards celebration and its lively atmosphere. Each year, people take memories back from the fair and introduce some heritages. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.